Is it subscribe?
It's not subscribe. There's only 6 dots or spaces.
Wait, what
is there an E? It's gaming.
No, there's no E.
It's gaming.
It's not gaming.
It's YouTube. It's YouTube.
The
YouTube has 7.
E has a U in it. I mean, YouTube has an E.
There's an A.
There's no A.
There's a
O.
No O.
I'm gonna make it spell Ian. Is there an N?
M.
N.
N.
N. Yeah, N.
N. No, there's not an
Ian.
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 That's an I. So
There's an I. Wait, no.
Is it pig's feet?
It's not. Did you say pig's feet? What? No.
Wait, don't we have to put a subject as well?
Oh yeah, I totally forgot we need a subject. Yeah.
I totally forgot to put a subject for mine.
And what's the subject?
My YouTube channel.
Correct. A YouTube channel.
My YouTube channel.
Is there a
Your
Y
YouTube
in it?
A Y?
Yeah.
There is a Y. Strike.
I'm gonna say Destiny, but
No, I don't play Destiny. I kind of want to, but
Destiny 2 sucks.
does it?
It does.
I heard a lot of good things about it.
Like, it's good when the graphics, but like the customization in it, it's really bad. You can't customize your own subclass like you used to. You can't customize your guns and anything like that unless you do shaders. That's the only thing you customize. Is it
US.
Yes.
spicy?
Spicy.
Is it memes?
It's not memes.
Wild?
Spicy.
It's spicy.
Wow.
Icy. That's good. Yeah, icy.
Moana?
Is it man's not hot? Spicy.
It's not spicy. That's not even.
That's not.
That's not.
Guys.
Ian didn't go to elementary school, so that's okay.
Come on, that was a good guess.
Oh, I hate my laugh.
Is there an L?
There is no L.
You take the L out of Kelly.
There's no L because Kelly took it.
Alright.
I just don't want to step down, so I just step
Like
down.
the box challenge.
Is there an R?
There is an R.
What the hell?
Crispy.
It is.
You got it. It's crispy.
Krispy Kreme.
Science is
Nice.
crispy.
Oh, you're the rapper Krispy Kreme.
Yep.
Krispy Kreme, all you trash.
Alright guys, I'm using a camera that I very vaguely talked about 2 Friday shows ago. This camera is supposed to be like super high quality for what it is. It is a under $100 camera, and it is waterproof, shockproof, and can record HD video. I'm gonna turn it around. Here's where the issue comes in, is I can't flip it around so I can see what I'm recording while I'm recording, so I don't know where my face is on the camera or not. I don't even know if I'm in frame right now, like I have no clue. Although I'm looking at the camera, I don't know. The only way that I can really check is for my phone. There's this cool app called Fujifilm remote, Fujifilm camera remote, and I can connect, which it's not going to let me connect without doing it in settings there, but it'll let me see what I'm seeing, so I can hold up my phone here and my camera there, and I can actually see what's recording on my phone, which is really cool. I don't know if it saves to my phone, though, which kind of suck. It'd be kind of cool, but it would also suck, because then how am I going to pull the camera video off when half of the camera's on my phone and half of it's on here? This is difficult. But anyway, I am going to do a large portion of the vlog today at the farm, and then I'm going to come home. It's Friday, by the way. Then I'm going to come home, we're going to do the Friday show, It's gonna be cool. I'm gonna post all my stuff. I'm gonna post. You guys are gonna get to see the whole thing, just like I said. I said I would post the free for gold game. I would post the random video. I would post the my vlog. This is my vlog, and then after this, you're gonna get to watch the oh wait, but before this, y'all have done seen the Fortnite, which I'm really excited to do today because a new limited time game mode has been released. What you doing?
Just getting a cup.
Yeah, so anyway. It's gonna be cool. I'm gonna vlog now. Huh? Alright guys, so I know I didn't really vlog much, and I'm sorry. I was planning on doing a lot more, but it turned out that it was raining and cold, and I wasn't about to get out of the car because it was raining and cold. But, there's plenty of great content to watch in the Friday show, so I'm gonna just roll on into that, and y'all can go watch that and enjoy. And I'm sorry this vlog wasn't super vloggy, but you gotta admit that the rain and the trees and whatnot, those were pretty. And oh, and there's something that I probably I did talk about it. I did talk about it. How cool this camera is. Yeah, that that's about it. Well, see you all on the Friday show.